So here we are trying to again resolve this interminable leaking window problem from VW, where water is coming in through the windows despite the fact I've cleaned out the drain holes and checked the pins for alignment, it's still happening. So removing the window is a fairly straightforward process. Open it slightly, it's not so easy with one hand. Open the window slightly, and then you need to release a pin up here and a pin down here using some plastic trim remover tools to help assist the process. It's not as difficult as may seem. You get the tools in and around the pin, you can ease the housing away and the pins will release, and you can ease the window out fairly easily. With the top end released, and then do the same at the bottom. With both pins released, the window can then turn out, and then you can slide this end out by rotating the window and releasing the whole mechanism like this. So there are two drain holes, one at the front here, and one at the back of the opening here. And as you can see in my case, the channel actually looks pretty dry. But I still have an ingress of water that's built up and has been coming through. So the question is, where's that coming in from? This lower trim along the bottom edge of the window slider is also removable with plastic trim tools with a bit of care and attention. There's a plastic snap hook which hooks into these rectangular slots in the upper part of the moulding. And they can be eased out with a plastic trim tool, so releasing the snap hook all the way along. So what you find beneath the housing is one structure here at the rear, which forms the base of the drain channel, and the other one at the front here similarly forms the base of the drain channel. If your drain channels are clear, then of course water should run outside when you test them. And of course nothing running inside. Now this one appears to be working okay. The front one, however, when I put water in through the drain tunnel, just leaks out inside. These are just held in with a non-set-in mastic around to form a seal, and that mastic fails, and hence your drain channel doesn't drain. Well, it does, but it drains the wrong way. It just pours out inside your vehicle, so no matter what you do outside or around your window, you'll continue to get leakage. So one thing at least I have to do is to replace and fix the seal around this drain channel moulding. So what I'm going to do is clean away all the old mastic that's in there and then replace it with some fresh roof sealant mastic or similar. I mean, it's not easy, you have to be careful not to bend this too much because it may snap. I'm just using like a bamboo skewer to clear away the old material. So I've done that. Now I can also have a look in here and make sure the channel's clear. And I'm going to put a bead of roof sealant non-set-in mastic around the edge of the... So I've held that up with a piece of strong tape. I'm going to leave it to set now, and hopefully that'll form a skin over that before I test it, probably in 24 hours. So after 24 hours, it's been raining most of the night. We have no further ingress of water. It's the same both sides, which is great news. The only other thing I've done to help support the front drain channel moulding is take a piece of bottle top. I've trimmed it down accordingly, and I'm going to insert that underneath inside the moulding when I clip it back in to help support the moulding entirely when it's when it's closed up. So that will go in here and then press against the base of the drain channel, keeping it in position. So there you go, job done. I've held the bottle top in with a bit of tape, stop it rattling about, and that seems to have solved this problem. Hope that helps with all the other tips that you find. Cheers, bye.